This is Seth Rowland, President of Bosch Systems. We have prepared this video to give you an overview of the application of HotDocs to a commercial lending system. We are retained by a large New York firm to look at their lending documents for a particular client and to prepare a package that would streamline the creation of that documentation, reducing the initial drafting time for the first package from anywhere from 5 to 10 hours down to literally 10 minutes. We begin with a welcome screen, and we then give you an opportunity to select the appropriate documents. Since this is a 50-state system, there are certain core documents, but the key issue is what jurisdiction are you assembling particular documents for. For example, if you were to choose California, there are particular versions of the documents that apply to California, such as the deed of trust and the guarantee, and whether you want a financing statement. This will produce the complete package and give you the interview that is appropriate for those documents. Realize that for some clients, rather than working with 50 separate templates, we have consolidated those templates into a single master template, which has optional clauses depending upon the jurisdiction in which the banking system is practiced. We'll click Next, and we begin putting some details on the project. These are very simplistic. We put in the name of the attorney, the reference, certain things about the bond series, who is the property manager, the bond and trustee. We would also put in details such as the name of the borrower, what type of entity, the state of organization, where their address is, management and signatory details, and a range of details like that. We'd put some details on the key principal, and we'd put details about the loan, such as the entity type, the issuer entity note, various different things about the subordination. This is a very simple interview. We're not putting too much conditionality in the scripting, and we are essentially done at this particular point. You can now go into the document preview mode. You can see a summary data sheet of what data was put in during the system, and you can also, depending upon the way you set up, view the actual documents. In this case, this produces independent documents, but we could also build a system that produces a single integration document. The purpose of this illustration, we can go back to the interview outline, is to simply show you what can be done with a very quick and dirty system that will dramatically speed up your process and make it easier. The original system which we replaced was one using Microsoft Word merges. By doing an approach this way, it became much easier to manage all the documents and quickly get them packaged into their system. If this is the type of thing for which you're interested, feel free to contact us. The information and the links are on the website.